Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Happy Color application. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch open Happy Color application on your mobile device. Make sure that you end up in the main home page. After you are in the page, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu appearing on the screen, tap on General. Tap on Login to Sync Data option under Restore Purchases inside the General tab. This will then bring up the login options. You can select your Facebook account, Google account, or your Apple account ID option, or sign in with Apple in order to log into your Happy Color account. Select any one option that you like. I'm gonna choose the Google option, and in the pop-up, tap on Continue to get to the respective login pages. You can now choose your Google account or sign into your Google account by entering your email or phone number. Tap on the Next button and then enter your Google account's password on the next field. After you are done, tap Next, and then you will be able to log into your Happy Color account. So that is how you will be able to log into your Happy Color account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.